Freestyle Rasta, freestyle fry lobster, served with shrimp pasta. Freestyle dinner is now served, and we're talking about some fried lobster with some festival escovitch sauce over the lobster, and freestyle is just a complete vibe. Hey my Freestyle Nation, welcome back to the channel guys, welcome back. Hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're back in the kitchen, Freestyle Nation, and it's all about some fried lobster with some festival, the Oraine freestyle way. But before we get into the video guys, we just check out the intro and we just get into business. You know the vibes, freestyle.
Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Oraine Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
So freestyle right here we have 4 medium-sized lobsters, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have 4 small ones, which I don't understand how them catch them small lobster here, because them small lobster they should go and leave some more. But nevertheless, freestyle, it's now time for me to go ahead and start the seasoning of my lobster. You know the vibes. So freestyle right here are my lobster, and the spices I'll be using for my lobster guys. We have some Old Bay season, we have some season to the bone, we have some all-purpose season, and then we have some black pepper. Now it's time for me to go ahead and season up our lobster, then we're going to start the frying process. So just stay tuned, you know the vibes, freestyle. So freestyle, to start the seasoning process, what I will do, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to split the lobster in the back. So you want to split the lobster guys, so you can get the season, the spices on your lobster meat the right and proper way. Because as you know, the lobster is in shell, so I'm splitting them. Style, it's now time for me to go ahead guys and season up my lobster with the spices. So right here, Freestyle Nation, we have some Old Bay season. I was never out of Old Bay season guys, because I just love the taste and the flavor of it. Now, so what you want to do guys, you want to sprinkle your Old Bay season all over your lobster. Nice and lovely. Pick up the shell and you want to sprinkle some on the underneath. So we're trying to make sure that our lobster is well seasoned. Because as I always say guys in my video, at freestyle it's all about the taste and it's all about the flavor, you know what I mean? Well done food. Sprinkle some black pepper. Nice and lovely guys. Very easy meal guys. Very easy. Then I will go ahead and sprinkle some all-purpose season. And then, as I always do guys, you want to massage everything in, because you want to make sure that your lobster is well seasoned to the core. So freestyle, our lobster is now completely seasoned with our Old Bay, our all-purpose, our black pepper, and our seasoned to the bone spices. So it's now time for us to go ahead and start the frying of our lobster. So just stay tuned, freestyle. In the meantime guys, if you're here for the first time, please just hit the subscription button and join the freestyle movement, you know the vibes. So freestyle, while the season them are going to soak up now the lobster, it's now time for me to go ahead and start the preparation for our festival. Now right here guys, I have some vanilla, and I'm going to use 2 spoons of vanilla. I'm using tablespoon this time around. 2 spoons of vanilla, then we're going to go in with 2 spoons of almond essence. 1, 2. Here we go. 2 spoons of that. Then we're gonna go in with half tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Then we're gonna grate a piece of nutmeg. Guys, you know it's all about the flavor, and if you know, you know, all these things I use in this mixture is just a vibe when it comes on to flavor. So right here, freestyle, I have some sugar, and I'm gonna add like about 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3. So what we're doing in freestyle, we're basically making the mixture to make the dough to make our festival. And right here I have some water. So I'm going to use the water and mix out the sugar, the vanilla, the ground cinnamon, the nutmeg, and the almond essence. Right. I'm going to go ahead and just add a small amount of the vanilla because I just love the flavor they get from the vanilla freestyle. So, you know, at freestyle it's all about the flavor, it's all about the taste. So, our little mixture is now completed, guys. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add just a small amount of baking powder. I'm not going to measure it, it's a small amount, guys. You don't want to put too much. Small amount of baking powder. Then it's time for us to go ahead and make our dough to make our festival. Freestyle, it's now time to make our dough to make the festival. I'm going to sprinkle a small amount of salt in our flour. Right, freestyle. And we're going to mix up the flour. Mix up the salt in the flour. Then after which the mixture that we use, we're going to use the mixture to make the dough for the festival. And guys, as I said before, the ingredients I use for my mixture, we use cinnamon, we use nutmeg, vanilla, almond essence, sugar. And guys, as I made up my dough, guys, I just want to let you guys know that I really appreciate the support. Just keep on supporting the movement. I appreciate you guys so much. We're on our way to 4K subs, so let's do it. And it can't happen without you guys. So guys, just keep on watching my videos, sharing the videos. You know what I mean? Just keep on tell a friend to tell a friend. And one day, we're going to get there. So our dough is now almost completed. So freestyle, by now our dough is now prepped, and it's now time for us to go ahead and start the frying of our lobster. Then we're gonna make our festival. So just stay tuned, guys. Freestyle Nation, you know the vibes. Big up on yourself. So freestyle, it's now time to start the frying of our lobster. But first, we're gonna put a piece of garlic in the oil to burn. So freestyle, our oil is now hot, and it's now time for us to start the frying of our lobster. We're now going to go ahead and put them in. So freestyle, it's now time for us to go ahead and take out our lobster. And as you can see guys, they're looking nice and lovely, nice and delicious, and it's just a vibe. Look at this, nice and colorful, nice and delicious. It's a vibe. So freestyle, the frying of our lobster is now completed. So just come in, let me show you what I go on the Oraine freestyle way. Nice and delicious. Come take a look. Freestyle. So freestyle, the frying of our lobster is now completed, as you can see for yourself. Nice and lovely, nice and delicious. And over here guys, we have some natural season prep and ready to make some escovitch sauce, because we want to add some extra flavor to the lobster guys. So over here guys is my dough already prepped, and it's now time for me to go ahead and make our festival. So just stay tuned freestyle, don't go nowhere, just stick and stay. Fry lobster festival Oraine freestyle way, it not getting no better than this. Freestyle nation, So freestyle, is now time for us to go ahead and start the frying of our festival. Right here guys is the leftover oil from the lobster. Not now waste nothing non dash way. So I'm gonna use the leftover oil guys from the lobster to fry our festival. Freestyle nation, it's now time for us to go ahead and start the frying of our festival. There you have it. Guys, and I must tell you guys, the taste of this festival is gonna be simply amazing, because the flavor that I put to them is just a different vibe. We're talking about the vanilla, the cinnamon, the nutmeg, the almond. I mean, like, it's just a complete vibe freestyle. So just stay tuned, watch what I want as we prepare our fried lobster and festival Oraine freestyle way. You know the vibe, freestyle. So freestyle, our festival is coming along nice and lovely, as you can see for yourself. And guys, hands down, I don't make the prettiest festivals, but I can tell you, this festival is a complete vibe. The taste, as you see how I do my mixture guys to make it and the whole work. So you know, say a flavor on top of flavor and taste on top of taste. So if them don't look like you're gonna get them at the restaurant guys, just, you know what I mean, just bear with me. I own me there, I also do my thing at home and things. So when I have to do the you know what I mean, they need to find something. So you know the vibes. Festival and fry up. A freestyle, while we fry our festival, we are going to go ahead guys and make some escovitch sauce, right? And the natural season I'm using for my escovitch sauce go as follow guys. Right here we have scallion, we have sweet pepper, 3 different color, we have thyme, we have scallion, we have carrot, a piece of scotch bonnet pepper, a piece of thyme, and a piece of tomato. Now it's time for us to go ahead and prepare our escovitch sauce. And freestyle, right here is my pot with just a small amount of oil, and the oil is leftover oil from the shrimp as well, from the lobster as well, so you know everything is about the lobster freestyle. So putting in our natural season for our escovitch sauce. Freestyle, now I tell you, the one and only normal, we're talking about flavor on top of flavor, taste on top of taste, by yours truly, Oraine freestyle. You know the vibe. So we are sauteing our natural season. Guys, the smells of this is just a different vibe. I'm gonna leave my natural season guys to stay there and saute the right and proper way. I just stick and stay freestyle with soon come. So freestyle, while we saute our natural season, I'm gonna sprinkle just a small amount of Old Bay season. You know what I mean, to pop the flavor a little bit more, just a small amount. Then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna stir everything together again. That is it, guys. The smell of this is just a vibe. Freestyle, you can't go escovitch sauce. You don't have no pimento in it. So right there, put some pimento berries. And then you can't go escovitch sauce, you not have like black pepper in it. I want the flavor to pop in a freestyle. So we have to put in the thing then to make sure the thing flavor out the right and proper way. So freestyle right here, I'm gonna put a teaspoon of vinegar. I'll put half more teaspoon of vinegar. That is it. Then we're gonna stir. Nice and delicious. Now freestyle, I'm gonna give this sauce probably like about 3 more minutes, then we should be completed. Freestyle, you know the vibe. Freestyle, our lobster and festival is now completed, as you can see for yourself. And the way that one is bad, I have to go freestyle a song pan it. So here we go now freestyle. Freestyle a rasta, freestyle a fried lobster, serve with shrimp pasta, and we are ready to go. Jamaica Queens, New York. Kaboom! Freestyle, it survived. Look at this. Nice and delicious. Nice and lovely. And it's just a complete vibes going on right here, freestyle. It doesn't get any better than this. We're talking about some authentic lobster tail. Fry up with some festival, with some escovitch sauce. So freestyle, it's now time to share. But as you know guys, not everyone is a fan of the pepper. And the sauce is spicy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna share mine. Putting the sauce on, the escovitch sauce. Nice and lovely. Nice and delicious, guys. It's a complete vibe. Just the smells of this alone, guys, just make you wanna dive in. Lobster tail, fry festival, Oraine freestyle way. You know the vibe. Freestyle dinner is now served, and we're talking about some fried lobster with some festival escovitch sauce over the lobster, and freestyle is just a complete vibe. Nice and delicious, nice and lovely, and freestyle, it doesn't get any better than this. Freestyle, I'm about to dive into this delicious meal. Freestyle a rasta, freestyle a fried lobster, serve with shrimp pasta, that the girl them love boy, yeah? And we are on the ground, Jamaica Queens, New York. Kaboom! Until next time, freestyle. Catch you in the next one, you know the vibes. Fried lobster and festival, guys. This is a feast, this is a vibes. Look at that, nice and delicious, nice and tasty. You know the vibes. Big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Kaboom! I'm out. Like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed yet, the subscription button, join the movement. Freestyle.